So let's do this question. For an angle standard position, the sine is 21/29 and the cosine is smaller than 0. Determine the cotangent. So first let's see in which quadrant we have to use. And for this, the first quadrant, it's all the ratios, it will be positive. For the second quadrant, it's only for the sine. And in the third quadrant, it will be for tangent. And in the fourth quadrant, it will be for cosine. So we can use that the information that we have here in this graph and see what we will get. So 21/29, it will be a positive number, so we can say that sine, it works here, because we said that sine will be only here positive, and the rest of this two, it will be negative, and here it will be positive too. And this is no. Now let's look for the tangent, the cosine. So cosine smaller than 0, it means that the cosine is negative. And we said that the cosine here, the cosine here, it's positive, so it will not work. And the cosine for tangent, we don't know actually, but for the all, everything is positive here, so cosine doesn't fit here. So because sine, it works here, it's positive, and we know that sine, it will not work here because it's only for tangent. So we will take that cosine is negative in this the second quadrant, and we will use it this way. Okay, and will be our angle, and let's call it omega. So from this sign, we know that sine means opposite over hypotenuse. So this is opposite, and this hypotenuse, and this adjacent. So the opposite is 21, and the hypotenuse is 29. And now we have to find the adjacent. And to find adjacent, we have to use that formula, which is a squared plus b squared equals 2c squared. Okay, so negative b squared minus b squared. A squared, it will be equals to c squared minus b squared. So c squared, we said, is 29, and 29 times 29, it will be 841 minus b squared. And we have found that b, which is opposite, it's 21. And 21 times 21, it will be 441. So 841 minus 441, the a squared, it will be equals to 400. And take the square root of both sides, the a will be equals to 20. Either positive or negative 20. And because of this quadrant, we can use just the x and y way. So we can know that a is on the horizontal line, or x, and as it's showing on this graph, it's negative. If it was here, it will be positive because it's on this side, which is always positive. So, okay. So now we can determine that 20, it will be negative 20. And for cotangent, we have to know what to use for it. So the cotangent, it will be equals to opposite. Oh no, the tangent is opposite over adjacent, and cotangent, it will be adjacent over opposite, which is we can say the cotangent of omega is equal to negative 20 over 21. And this will be the final answer for that question. And thank you for watching.